Hello, my soul family. Welcome to my body, mind, and spirit health and wellness brand, and welcome to my healing kitchen. I am introducing to you all my holistic nutrition series. If you're not a member yet, become a member now. Get access to a whole bunch of healthy recipes, baking that we do here, get creative in the kitchen. I also share with you lifestyle tips on how to make holistic nutrition a part of your life, a part of you. Because remember that health is wealth, and that should be our #1 priority always. And last but certainly not least, you'll also have access to my nutrition lectures. I also teach research-based findings. I went to school for that, graduate school, and I really love going deep into holistic nutrition because there's just so much to learn, and there's so much that we take for granted in these beautiful herbs, in this beautiful food from Mother Nature, from Mother Gaia. So much potential to heal us naturally, and that's what I really all want to share and inspire you all to think this way as well. So again, my name is Krista Ramirez, and I'm your health and wellness expert. You can take a look at my website for more details and information about my programs, my membership subscriptions, and so much more. KristaRamirez.com/health and wellness. I'll see you all in my kitchen. Bye.